Hey everybody, it's Dr. John. So I wanted to tell you about a few things that are happening in our clinic. We're looking for a new space for a movement space. And so what that means is that we're going to take people and watch them move in a healthcare setting. You're going to have doctors and a full team that is set aside to actually get you to the point of where we can evaluate how you're moving. It ties right in with our foundations. And so before we get to that, the space that we're actually in about 3 to 4 weeks, which in probably be mid-December of 2019, we're going to have a movement space up here. It's going to be in a limited fashion. You'll have to register for the movement evaluations. What we're going to do is we're going to see how you do in a balance situation. So minimally, we're going to see how well your body perceives its environment. And then what we're going to do is we're going to then, once we can get you past to where you're equally balancing on both legs, your brain's perceiving its environment, you can do that with your eyes closed, eyes open. Then what we're going to start doing is we're going to put you in strength, like testing strength, testing weakness, see what your body is doing to compensate in its movement patterns. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start putting you underweight. So when you put weight on someone, it shows those big blaring problems that you can begin to address. The whole goal of this is to get you stronger. Stronger people are harder to kill. I know that sounds weird, but it's true. You get injured less if you're stronger. You actually stay more mobile if you're stronger. So think about it. If you're strong around a joint, if I have muscles that bring that joint together and stabilize that joint, that's going to mean that there's less shearing and dysfunction of that joint. And so that means better health for that person because they move better. So what we want to do is expose those problems and really get to the point to where we truly do have a mechanism of getting you stronger. So I can't find anywhere in the world, I'm sure there's somewhere in the world that does this, but not anywhere close to us. So I'm very excited about this program. I've thought about it for a really long time. Hopefully, I've been looking for a facility. I think I have one, but that doesn't mean it happens until it happens. But mid-December, we're going to have the ability to do that in our clinic here in Homewood and at 3250 Independence Drive. And so the whole goal is that we want to make sure that you function the best that you can function. This is the next level of that. This is the next level of you paying attention to your health. It also works in conjunction with whatever you're doing. This is not a facility where you're going to come and work out, not this one, and truly do it on a regular basis. It's an evaluation facility where we can determine if what you're doing is helping you or harming you, what we need to do to make sure that you stay healthy, making sure that you're adapting the way that you're meant to adapt. It goes from brain to body. We want to make sure that we address the brain, we address balance, we address symmetry in the body, we address mobility, we address strength, and we ultimately get to where you're performing at your best. So got a lot of other really cool things happening, and I really appreciate you guys being on this journey with me. My whole goal, my mission, my vision is to make sure that I build a natural healthcare system, and it does begin to change the world. It starts with doing and living things naturally. So thank you for being a part of it.